Hello there, welcome to our channel once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your AOL mail account on your computer online. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your AOL mail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in aol.com like this and enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the AOL, where as you can see the login/join button available at the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, and after that you'll be redirected to this page where you can also log into your AOL with your Google or your Yahoo account. Now to log into your AOL account, simply enter your username or your email or your mobile number which you had registered on AOL at the time of creating your account, and after that click on next, and on the page you'll be required to enter your password, and after that you'll be able to log into your AOL mail account. Or if you have forgotten your username, simply click on forgot username to go through a procedure to retrieve your username. Or if you have not yet signed up for AOL, simply click on create an account to go through a procedure to create your account on AOL. And guys, this is how you log into your AOL mail account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.